Hello friends, today we will discuss how a subscription management or a payment management system can work as a SaaS or a software as a service. So these are the kind of products which are used by different kind of businesses which provide direct service to the end users or the target customers. So suppose you are creating a game or you create any service or any product which your clients are using. Maybe you are using an email service, maybe you are creating an email service or any other kind of service that, that you create. For example, you create a newsletter service, or you create any app, or you create any management service, or you create any services related to AWS. All you need to make sure is that your customer pays on time. So the advantage of this kind of subscription management service or payment management service is that the 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 product or the service that you are creating, you need to focus only on that particular product, and you don't need to worry about the customers, how the customers are paying, whether they are making the payment on time, whether their payments are failing or not, or if the customer's payment subscription is about to expire, whether we need to be sending them the emails or not. So all these things are managed by a third party subscription management system or a payment management system. So now here the point comes then, that how these third parties will make the money in the due course, since anyone can copy the idea. So here the point is that anyone can definitely make a copy or create a parallel system which which different customers or the different business can use. But the point here is that how strong is your SLA, what is your uptime, whether your service fails or not, or what kind of service you create. So here repeated customers are what is important into this kind of business. Repeated customers are important into this kind of business, since anyone can take some reference from somewhere, maybe some create a those. So ultimately these kind of payment management system are based on some basically some Stripe or some other payment gateways. So we just create a wrapper out of those services. So here the point is that you don't need to think whether your service will work or not, whether you will receive the client or not. So since the demand is huge in the market, and depending on what market segment you are tapping, maybe you are tapping the fintech services, you are tapping FMG services, maybe you are tapping any banking services or any e-commerce or any other any other kind of services that the end customer uses. So also the USP of your product can be the kind of payment gateway that you have integrated, or the kind of exhaustive solution that you have created that no one else may try to create. Or early mover can also be can be an advantage for you. The domain or the demographics in which you are selling your product can also be an advantage to you. Also you may provide out of the box services to the big clients, so those will be helpful in creating long chain of returns for you. Also, you think that you want to move out of that particular idea, you can easily exit flipping those website and flip or any other kind of website. So you also, so that at that particular point of time, you may not need to worry about how would you manage the existing clients. You just sell it on the website. Also, there are some SaaS portals like AppSumo or different kind of portals which provide you a platform to sell your services to the customers to reach the target market in a very good way. Also, there are some other services like GitHub subscription management systems, or different subscription management systems where you or third party integrations, let's say cloud integrations such as AWS or Azure cloud integration systems, such as where you can host your services, or you can tie up with the different vendors. As you see that the point here is not that how you create the service, but how you maintain your business. That is what is more important into these kind of services. Once you feel you are Also, you can create a proper suite of these kind of services. One can be subscription management system, other can be authentication management system, other can be notification management system, or different kind of user management system should also be there. Can also be an important part. So once you create a suite out of these services, then your suite will be unreplaceable. Whenever any customer that is coming into buying any one product out of his suite, he can definitely easily buy any of the product. So in that particular way, you can easily manage a lot of income. Thank you.